Have you ever wanted the look of leather but didn't want to commit to a texture or even the price? Well, I'm going to show you a technique, a non-textured leather finish that will solve all of your problems, and you can do in any color you choose. Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa Worley, and if you're new here, this is Southern Yankee Designs. Welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a non-textured leather finish. There's a wide variety of different leather finishes out there, but today I'm just going to focus on this non-textured leather look. Faux finishing isn't something that has to be focused on walls or ceilings. It can be put on furniture, floors, accessories, cabinets, you name it. So let's get started. I'm starting with my base color, Rustic Earth, and I'm using the Valspar sample paints from Lowe's. I'm rolling on an even coat of this color. If I were doing a piece of furniture, I'd probably spray or brush this on. After the first layer dries, I'm going to do a second coat since this is a deep color. While this last layer dries, I'm going to get my glaze mixture mixed and ready to go. For my glaze mixture, I'm mixing 1 part mudslide with 2 parts glaze. Once the glaze mixture is blended, I am going to use a chip brush to apply the glaze in random areas using a back and forth brush stroke. Once everything is covered in the glaze mixture, I am going to use a bunched up grocery bag for my next tool. And make sure you turn the bag inside out, otherwise the ink will mix in with the glaze. Trust me, I've had this happen before. I'm using the bag to stipple areas and blend the glaze together. I tend to get a little heavy-handed, so I apologize about the shaky camera. Now I'm going to take a dry, clean chip brush and just blend it all together softly. I'm brushing in random areas to kind of break up some of the patterns left from the bag. I'm doing the same thing with the bag. I'm coming in and getting rid of some of the brush areas and doing some more stippling. Again, sorry for the shaky camera. I'm going back and forth between the bag and the chip brush until I get the look I'm wanting. Keep wiping excess glaze off of the brush to keep it dry. If there's areas that you don't like, you can always come in with the chip brush and kind of stipple some areas and blend them away softly. As you can see, the paint is still wet enough for me to work with. This is why you need to mix the glaze in with the paint. I'm using a piece of brown painter's paper and folding it back and forth. This is going to be my next tool. I am pressing the paper into the glaze to make what looks like veins and patterns found in real leather. Notice I'm keeping the paper in one direction. Use the chip brush to smooth out areas you don't like. I'm going back and forth between the paper and the brush until I get the look that I'm wanting. The more times you do this, the more distressed this painted leather finish is going to look. I think that looks pretty darn good. I bet no one will ever know this isn't real leather. I had so much fun. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you liked this finish. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you can keep up with all of my future projects, videos, and faux finishes. Because you're going to need this in your life. You really are. And you don't want to miss it. Until next time, see ya. Hey, psst, yeah, you, come here. You don't want to miss out on any future projects, do you? Well, then subscribe and hit that bell so you can keep up with all of my future projects and videos. What was that? I gotta go.